This is my math homework number 5, starting with Monday. Solve the problem, 27 times 506. Let's go and get started. Here is 506, and we'll multiply with 27. This is a 3-digit by 2-digit. Let's go and get started. 7 times 6 is 42. I put my 2 there, carry my 4. 7 times 0 is 0. Add 4 is just 4. 7 times 5 is 35. That is my first partial product. I'm now going to erase the 4 up top. I'm going to cross out the 7. Let me fully erase that number up top. There we go. And we add a 0. That's our place value holder. Now we do the 2 times 6, which is 12. I carry my 1. 2 times 0 is 0. Add 1 is just 1. 2 times 5 is 10. That's my second partial product. I'm going to add this up now. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 0 is 3. And the 1's by himself. Let's put a comma where it belongs. Our product is 13,662. Moving on to number 2. Find the sum. Here's 2.5. I add that with 3.03. Make sure that your decimals line up. 3.03. If you want, you can put a 0 there because 5/10 is the same thing as 50 hundredths. 0 plus 3 is 3. 5 plus 0 is 5. Our decimal goes straight down. 2 plus 3 is 5. So our sum is 5 and 53 hundredths. For number 3, it says Sandra and her friend went to the candy store. Each of them purchased a bag of jelly beans. Sandra's bag weighed 1.25 pounds. Here it is, 1.25, 1 and 25 hundredths. Her friend's bag weighed 1.05. Who bought more candy? And the other friend bought 1.05. Well, obviously, they both have 1 pound, but Sandra has 25 hundredths, and the other friend, her other friend had only 5 hundredths, so of course, 25 is greater than 5, so we know that Sandra bought more candy. So the answer is Sandra. Alright, moving on to number 4. It's going to be comparing inequalities. Here's the first one. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and just write all this down. Okay, here's the first one. We have 34 and well, there's 34 and that's just 3. So obviously 34 is greater. This one is 1. This is 12. Obviously 12 is greater. And this is 589. This is 58. 589 is greater. So in this case, Mr. Liu is only, I'm looking at the whole numbers. If the whole numbers is obviously greater than the other, there's no point really looking at your decimals because you want to look at your whole numbers first, and then you look at your decimals afterwards. Moving along to the next one. It says, what is the value of the underlying digit? So let's go and write this out. 5,678 and 321 thousandths. Obviously, that one that's underlined is in the thousands place. Here's 1 digit. Here's another digit. That's your third digit, so you know it's 3 zeros. So it's in the thousands. This would be the tenths. This would be the hundredths. And of course, the last one that was underlined is the thousandths. Alright, for our last one, it says write the following decimals in order from least to greatest. Well, I notice this is a 0. And the other ones are 1, 3, 2, and 1. Obviously, this one's going to be the least. So he's going to be the first one. Okay, he's gone. The second one is going to be 1.4 because 1.4 is less than 3. And it's also less than 2. And it's less than 18, right? That's 18 tenths is 14 tenths. So that's next. And then, of course, this one will be next, 1.8. Then you have 2.2 because that's 22. And then this is 39. That's 39 tenths.